Hello, this is Ayivi. Thank you for watching. I'd like to say a big thank you to all our returning viewers and returning subscribers. Thank you for coming once again to watch this new video. I'd like to extend a very warm welcome to all our new subscribers. Thank you for choosing to be a part of the viewership of this channel. It has taken the paint contractor 2 weeks and 2 days, 16 days altogether, to apply 2 coats of Enduit and sanding of all interior walls and ceilings. In this video, we will take a close look at the sanding job after the second coat of Enduit, and we would also look at the windowsills that have had Enduit applied to them. While watching this video, if you like what you see, kindly give us a thumbs up. Please drop us a comment. Subscribe if you've not already done so, and do not forget to share this video with family and friends. Thanks in advance. As we can see and hear, sanding of the Enduit surfaces is underway. There is a team working downstairs and a team working upstairs on the business of sanding the Enduit surfaces. So why is sanding of the Enduit surfaces important? I know of 2 reasons. There may be other reasons. I'll give you 2 of them. The first is that it ensures that the walls and the ceilings are smooth all around after the Enduit is applied. More importantly, sanding opens up the Enduit surfaces to take on the paint. It makes it easier for the paint to bond with the Enduit wall and the Enduit ceilings. When the bonding is stronger, what results is a paint job that can last many years without peeling away or without looking messy. In a nutshell, what sanding of Enduit surfaces does is that it ensures that your painted walls and ceilings are professional looking for many, many years. Many of our esteemed viewers who have watched the numerous videos having to do with tiling of floors will recall that I have mentioned on many occasions that there will be a thorough cleaning of all tiled floor surfaces after the painting phase of the project. Now, with sanding of Enduit underway, I am sure, based on the amount of residue on the floor, you can appreciate why it is that there should be a thorough cleaning of these tiled floor surfaces after the painting phase of the project. So here in Maid, Togo, there is a whole cottage industry of cleaning professionals who specialize in cleaning of tiled surfaces on construction projects after the paint phase is complete. Even my tiler has a specific bill rate if he has to clean the surfaces of the tiled floors after painting. His bill rate is per square meter. I think the billing rates vary by provider. But again, that is the way it is done here. So I've watched a good number of videos on YouTube, and it does beg the question, what is the proper sequence between enduit and tiling of floors? Which comes first? Which comes second? Kindly drop us a comment, share your insights. Again, enduit versus tiled floors, which comes first and which comes second? We look forward to reading your comments. Thanks in advance. Only one coat of enduit has been applied to walls in the kitchen and laundry room. The false ceiling in the kitchen has been worked on completely. We are planning for a galley kitchen, so with wall-mounted units and countertops on both the left and the right walls as you walk through the kitchen. Tiling is going to be minimal. The space between the wall-mounted units and the countertops will be tiled. After that, we will come back, apply the second coat of enduit, sand, and paint. That's the plan. So we've stepped outside. We're on our way to the drivers and the maid's quarters. So this is the, let's call this the driver's quarters. And it looks like our friends here have not yet done any sanding, so that's yet to be done. And from here, we're going to look in here at the restroom or the bathroom for the maid and driver's quarters, and it appears sanding has not yet taken place. There's really no residue on the floor, but we could see that the enduit has been applied to the false ceilings over there. So that's actually not false ceilings, the crown moldings and the ceiling. So yeah, this is the bathroom for the maid and driver's quarters, and then let's call this the maid's quarters. And here again, what we have is we know enduit has been applied to the ceilings and crown moldings. We can see some empty buckets of enduit. I think we purchased about 36 of them all together. And there you go. So we've made a pivot. We are looking now at the windowsills. We're starting downstairs. I will let you appreciate the fine job that has been done by the painter and his crew. Remember, the painter, Mr. Gobitaka, I think has done a marvelous job all around. He did all this in 16 days, 2 weeks and 2 days. So yeah, we'll take a look at some of these downstairs, and we'll look at them upstairs also. I'll be right back with you. So this is going to be a first for me. In my brief tenure on YouTube, putting up content having to do with this project, I have not yet made a recommendation on another channel. I'm about to do that today. Folks, kindly visit Bright and Clara's channel. There is excellent content on building on that channel. Kindly watch some videos, and above all, please subscribe. Subscribe to Bright and Clara's channel. For your convenience, a link to Bright and Clara's channel has been placed in the description down below. See you there. Thank you. And so folks, we've come to the end of this video. I hope you have enjoyed the content and that you'll come back to the channel to watch some more videos. Until next time, this is Ayivi saying cheers. Cheers to you.